When the Creator, in His great law, planted the great tree of peace, He uprooted it, and He threw under it all the weapons of war. He said, "You are now a nation of peace, and that will be your strength. That will be what you depend on. The spiritual power. Believe. If you have one mind, and you consider this again, the natives like we are, at one time, we spoke your language. At one time, we conversed. Long time ago, those animals, those women who live in a state of absolute peace, they can do no wrong.
This is CHECALO.
There's no time to be afraid. There is no time for fear. There's only a time to be strong. Only a time to think.
So it's very, very important that people take back their minds and that people analyze our dilemma in the context of the entire human story, from the descent onto the grassland to our potential destiny as citizens of the galaxy and the universe. It's up to each one of us to relate to this situation in a fashion that will allow us to answer the question that will surely be put to us at some point in the future, which is, what did you do to help save the world?